Weekend Gold is the theme of the day. Welcome, greetings, and Sanbonani. This is the Next Billionaire Awards, the 6th annual, if I could be precise. It's about to go down, and of course, I am your host, Unotando, the creative.
Umcimbi namhlanje sihlangene ngeprogram ebizwa ngene Next Billionaire. Siyadinga ukuthi sibe nento encourageayo. Sathi ke asenze show ukuthi we have this awards to make sure ukuthi each and every SME iyakubona ukuthi ibalekile kwi-economy yase South Africa.
Because the mandate is to create economy in the province, create jobs, deal with the issues of empowerment and poverty.
Enabling growth, celebrating achievement, and inspiring future leaders.
Sijabule kakhulu siwumkhandlu waseRenkonyeni i-local municipality ngokuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibe ingxenye ye-Next Billionaire eka-2025. Ayiqali ke manje mhlambe uzwile isikhathi siloke sihlangana kanje siwenza lo mcimbi.
Asiwabongele wonke ama-nominees, ngiyazi abafikanga la kalula, but we can only have one winner, and the winner is
Sabashle Slele.
Cindy Mkhize.
Mongi Nkonyeni, good to go.
Nonhlanhla Dlamini.
Njengobonile nje ukuthi sibe nama-prizes. Ama-prizes wakhiphile abo 100,000. Ngibonge i-Department of Aid ngokusilekelela. Because inhloso yethu ukuthi sifuna uku-acknowledge osomabhizinisi. Bebe nento encane, injection encane nje ukuthi umuntu aphushe ibhizinisi lakhe. Keep watching the Next Billionaire every Tuesday at 9:30 on 1 KZN TV. Ngawuthatha umsebenzi wakho.